Would you like your kid to understand the value of things and how to earn money to buy them? Hi, my name is Miriam, and today I would like to talk about celebrating achievements and how to understand the value of things. Here's a game you can play with your kid next time he comes to you asking you to buy him something. Your kid will come and say, "Mom, Dad, I want a bike." You will then say, "Okay, you will have a bike, but you will have to earn it. Is that fair?" After she accepts, drive her to a bike store and let her choose the bike that she wants. Once she's chosen the one, take a picture of it and its price. And once you go back home, print these two pictures and stick them at the back of her bedroom door. Like this. Let's say the bike is 100 euros, like this one. Take a few A4 and divide them into squares until you have 100 of them. Something like this. Now stick them under the two pictures of the bike. Once this is done, sit down with your kid and list down the duties he's expected to do at home. For example, make the bed every morning, help with the laundry twice a week, do the dishes twice a week, mowing the lawn once a week, wash the car once a week, and assign a value to each task. For example, make the bed is 1 euro, helping with the laundry is 2 euros, mowing the lawn is 4 euros, and so on. From this point forward, every night before going to bed, check out together how many tasks he has completed and cross a square for each euro that he has earned with his work. With this exercise, your kid will not only visualize the growing number of cross squares, bringing him closer to his desired bike, but he will also understand the value of things and that buying something requires work to earn that money. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about different ways to give your children a solid financial foundation while still having fun.